Hi, my name is Fred Williamson. I'm the Vice President of Operations for StarNet Worldwide, the Commercial Flooring Partnership. We are at our annual meeting in Marco Island, Florida, and the theme of our meeting is the power of partnership and the opportunity to be together with our vendor partners and our members, especially in our trade show where we're able to mingle and look at new products and discuss ideas for future new products was outstanding. My hope is that we'll leave this meeting with the same degree of enthusiasm, and the partnership will continue to grow when we're back in our individual market areas. StarNet has a very diverse population of members, large, small, some in certain business segments, some in others. And so while one size does not fit all, the point I was saying is that the individual members are diverse in their size and shape and the marketplaces that they service, and that the individuality of our membership is actually the power of our organization. The ability to work together on national accounts, to provide services that other organizations can't provide, and certainly to work with our vendor partners to bring new products to the marketplace like our StarNet High Performance line of products really sets us apart as an organization from other flooring contracting organizations that are out there. I think that the energy that we as StarNet staff get from the members is the driving force that gives us the motivation to continue to do what we do and to do it as well as we can do. I'm looking forward to a better year than last year. Certainly the first quarter has ended on an up note, and we look to increase our business into the following quarters in front of us. If we finish our year on an even basis with last year, I'll be happy but not elated. I really feel that in the second half of the year we'll be able to implement the new programs that we are offering to our StarNet membership, and we should begin to see the results of those programs. I've gotten great suggestions during our vendor and member partners discussions that we've had, and I think that we have a consensus of the membership that they really value what StarNet brings to them. Because it's their organization, they're the owners, they're the operators, and certainly drive StarNet to new programs and new opportunities. I think we're a healthy organization. I think we're going to be healthier because we have strong new members, and those new members quickly are embraced by the rest of the membership and become part of this great organization. I'm looking forward to a good year next year.